right, so I just received the Syncwire universal car mount for the dashboard. Simple, superior, and reliable. So let's go ahead and we'll open this bad boy up. Okay, I'm getting it. All right, that was a pain in the butt. All right, so here it is. It comes with some important stuff here. It says clean the targeted area with alcohol pad. Leave for 5 hours at least after pasting before use. All right, so that's important. So we need to keep all this stuff. It's got the directions. But let's just take a look at it, see what it looks like. All right, let's get her out of the paper. Oh, wow. This thing is, oh man, that is definitely quality. It's not plastic, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is, all right, so this goes in here. Now the way it works is you got to undo this. So I've done these before. And then you've got to put this over here like that. And all right, so you got to make sure that's over there. And then this goes on there like that. Snap it on and then screw it. There we go. All right, so that's where your phone's going to go. And this is going to go on your, you know, whatever you're on your dashboard, I guess. And then you can just go like that. Bam. All right, so now we've got that. And let's read this. It says important, clean the targeted area with alcohol pad. Okay, we understand that. So before we use that, we got to do that. We got to clean it really good so there's no stuff on it. And then we just stick that baby down and then bam, Bob's your uncle will be putting our phone on there. Let me grab a phone. Okay, so I've got my iPhone and it's supposed to stay right on there like that. That's it. See that? Yeah, that definitely works good. So yeah, we're gonna definitely use that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and I'll show you how you attach this on your car. Peace out.